Hi everyone and welcome back to another simple tutorial. And in this video I will show you how to create comic text effect like this one you see in Canva. And the great news is that it takes just a few clicks and it's completely free. So let's get started by opening a new design in Canva. It doesn't matter which dimension you choose. It all depends on your project needs. As you can see, I have a blank canvas here. And now we need to go into the left sidebar and select the apps option. Once selected, type in the search bar a text maker. This is a tool that will help us to create a comic text effect. So once you found the text maker tool, select it and allow its use. And now, still in the left sidebar, we have all we need to create a comic text effect. So let me describe all the important features of this tool. First, we have a text field where you logically put your text. Then you get sections where you can select a font for the text, the alignment, the spacing, and the effect. But the effects section is important for us. Just click the See All link and find the comic effect section. And again, click on the See All link next to the effect. Now you can see all the presets you can use. For this video, I will use the one with the ninja text. So I click on it and this led me back to the main window of the tool. The great about the tool is that you can customize most of the text. So let's focus on changing colors, which is quite simple. All you need to do is click on the color tab next to the typography and play with the colors. You can change the fill colors, colors for outline, and even 3D depth colors. So let's say I want to have a simple black and white outline. All I do is click on the colors and change them. And as you can see, you can check the changes you have made in the preview window. And what if you don't like the fill colors? Then just click on the fill option and then change the colors on both sides of the gradient effect. You can also move the points in the color gradient effect or even change the direction of it. So simple it is. As you can see, this is a relatively simple effect that can make your text design stand out on posters, wall art, or even t-shirts. So I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you liked the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more similar content.